Hello and welcome to my channel Learn and Grow. Here in this tutorial I will show how to create a fillable PDF form from scratch. So I have one survey form here that is for restaurant. This is the form here, and I will create a fillable PDF form from this. So let us start here. Let us close this form. Right click on the form, open with acrobat, and here is the form, and I will go to tools, then form, create. It will ask me to use the PDF, Word or Excel file, whatever it is. Click on next, use the current document, and here is the form that is created. Now I will make necessary changes here. First, this field is for the restaurant name, so I will change, right click on it and click on properties and change the name of it to the name of restaurant. Name of restaurant, and Ctrl C. Here in the tooltip help text I will paste this one. Okay, let us close it, and I want to appear the same name here also, and other places like here. Would you recommend that this is the restaurant name here, and this place, and all these places the same name has to appear. So I will just change the name here to the same one. Here also the restaurant name, and again here also change the same name of the restaurant. Okay, and here also change the same name. Okay, so that when somebody fills any of this field, the same name will appear in all the pages. So this is the first one, and here some fields are there. That is the date visited, name, which is optional, age, email address, and here one drop down menu will be created where user can select the option. So for the text field, I will add one text field here and draw one text field, name it as date, click on properties, and appearance I am not changing it. You can change it to according to your taste. And for format options, here I will choose the date option and go for the custom field and write dd/mm/yy. This is the format which needs to be entered for this field. In the appearance section, you can use a fill color here if required, and I am choosing this color, let us say this color, and I will copy this field by pressing Ctrl Shift one time, two time, and this place, email address, and this one, and I will select all of them and distribute them vertically with the equal space. Okay, now this is the field. Here you can adjust the length of any of the field if required. Suppose I want to change this name length, here I will change the size here, width, age I can keep it here or I can make it smaller one. Email address also, if I want to make the same width as that of the name field, so I will select this one and press Ctrl, select this one and click on properties. Here right click on it and same width, it will change the width of the first one. Or if I select this one, email address, let us change the first one here. Okay, then select this one and select this one, same field as the width, so it is changing the width. So you have to select the first one and the last one, and it will make the same. Now let us change the name here. So here I will write the name, full name, okay, and age we can say here is age, here age in years, okay. Format, go to format, we can choose the number here, and decimal places we can remove any decimal places, and validation text we can say that is between 1 to 100 if anyone enters the age here. And for this field, email address, we can write again the name here as email address, and tooltip text email, okay. And then again this option I am just deleting it, and I will insert one drop down menu. So I will go to drop down list here, select this one, and I create a drop down menu. Now go to all properties. For the options, I will first option I will write select one, okay, then this one, then add another option which is dine in, add, and then another option as take out, okay. Now if this is the default one, I will click on this one and close this field, okay. Now I can align this one with this field here. First select this one and then this one, and I can say align distribute, align left, so it will left align these two. Or I can say select this one and this one, I can set the height also, okay. So this will adjust the height, and it will make the first one height and the second one as the same height. Now come to this portion where I will design some radio buttons. So I am deleting all these fields. Here also I am deleting all these fields, deleted. Now here the user will select which one they prefer. So I will insert some radio buttons here. So I will go to this one, add radio buttons, and select like this, okay. And let us name this as group 1. Go to all properties. Now for the appearance section, I am keeping all the default options here. In the options, I am selecting the check one, okay, the choice one here, and we can see the preview now how it looks like here. Go to edit mode, and now this is the first radio button. So I am just pressing Ctrl Shift, or I can do right click on it and place multiple fields. Here I can select the fields that I want number of times I want to copy across. If I say 5 times, let us say 5 here, and here let us say 1. So there are how many boxes? There are total 5 boxes. So I am keeping it 1 and 5, and okay. So here I am just selecting the last one and pressing Ctrl, just moving it to the right, okay. Now I select all of this one and go to right click on it, align and distribute horizontally, okay. Now let us align this one, and the first select the first one and align top. So again all these options can be aligned here, like this one, align top. Okay, now let us try to adjust each of these. Total there are 6 boxes, so I am deleting one and selecting all of them. Align, distribute horizontally. Okay, so now let us check the name of these boxes. Here the name is, I have to change the name from here to group 1. So group 1 name is there, that is the radio button here, same name as the group 1. Okay, it is not taking, so therefore I have to change this, and let us select the first one, which is named as group 1. Let us rename it as group 1, and just pressing Ctrl Shift I will place all of this another time, and then this one. Okay, now selecting all of them, and I can distribute them horizontally like this. Now check the name, group 1, group 1, group 1, group 1. So go to preview and check if them working fine. Okay, they are working fine. Now go to edit mode, select one of these, all of these, and just simply pressing Ctrl Shift I will drag them at the bottom, and then again at the bottom, again at the bottom, again at the bottom, again at the bottom. Now here also I can do the same thing. Okay, just press Ctrl G and just Ctrl C, selecting all, and press Ctrl C, Ctrl V here, and I will just simply drag them to the left like this. Ctrl C, let us say, selecting all of them and pressing Shift and pressing here. So now they are positioned. Now I will select all of them, pressing Ctrl Shift, move like this, then to this, then to this, then to this, and again another time, again another time, again another time, and again the last one. So this is almost complete here. Now we will change the name here. First one is a group 1, second change the name as group 2. Okay, similarly for this one also group 2, because only one option can be selected, so we are changing the same name here for all the fields, so that only one option can be selected. Now keep on repeating these things. Group 3 and group 3, same name I am keeping here, group 3, and here also for group 3, for this one as well, group 3. So here for this one, group 4, and here group 4, again 4, and here also group 4. Keep on doing the same thing, because only one option is I can select here. So this is the 5th one, group 5. So all the options have to be named with the same name, like this. Here 5, here 5, here also 5. Okay, so this is group 4 and this is group 5. Now for this one also I will put 6 here. This is for group 6, and this is for group 6, this is for group 6, for group 6. Okay, then for 7 here also 7, here also 7, here also just put 7, and here put it 7. Similarly others as well I have to change, like 8, group 8, here group 8, here group 8, here is 8, here is 8, here is 9, 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 here 9, sorry 1 0, here 1 0, here is 1 0, 1 0, here is 1 0, here 1 1, here 1 1, close, 1 1, here 1 1, here 1 1. Okay, then for this 1 2, if I select all of them and try and go to properties, here you cannot change at a time, so we have to change them individually. 1 2, I think it is 1 2. Okay, 1 2, 1 2, okay, 1 2. Now here also 1 2, 1 2, here 1 2, here also 1 2. I think it's 1 2, so it should be 1 3. I think yes, it should be 1 3, 1 3 options, 1 3 here, 1 3 here, 1 3, and the last one has 1 3. For next one 1 4, here 1 4, here 1 4, here 1 4, okay, here 1 4, this is 1 5, 1 5, and this is 1 5, this one is 1 5, and last one is 1 5. Okay, so this is complete. You can preview it, you can select, check whether it is working fine or not. Okay, it's working. Now come to this portion. We can save this document as file, go to save as PDF. Now let us name it as survey fillable. Okay, save. Now here some check boxes has to be how often do you want to visit the restaurant. So let us put some check boxes here. That is for the radio buttons. I will use some radio buttons here. Now like this, daily, and here I will name it as visit. So here visit. Okay, all properties, options, go to check option, and this one like this. Now pressing Ctrl Shift, just copy them several times to alright, just reduce the sizes to accommodate the space here. So pressing, typing the name here, pressing Ctrl and zoom it and place it properly here, and then pressing Ctrl Shift, I'm just copying it, and this one again, another time, another time, another time, another time, and the last one. Now selecting all of them, right click, align, distribute vertically with equal space. Now they are having the same name here. This is the name here, visit, and also the same name. So if I go to preview mode, only one option can be selected here at a time. Now this part is complete. Name of the restaurant is there. Recommendation, certainly or probably. Here also you can, another radio button, only one option can be selected here like this, and here I can recommend, name it as recommended, and SEO. Go to fields, options, select the check one. Okay, just zoom it by pressing Ctrl Shift and drag it with the same name, certainly or probably. Okay, now you will just check if other options are there. Okay, there is one option, Ctrl C, copy, probably not. Here I will just simply drag and position it here like this. You can draw a ruler, drag a ruler from this portion, so to see if it is aligned properly. With this one also, if it is aligned here like this, and here I will simply drag this one and place it like this. Okay, and again drag it and drag it. So there are total 5 fields. Okay, you can check. If you go to the next page also, just one option can be selected, name of the restaurants. Now here another set of selections. So again, some radio buttons here, and place them here and name it as satisfaction. Okay, go to all properties, option, select check one. Okay, now reduce the size if required, position it and just drag it, pressing Ctrl Shift several times for creating with the same name. Okay, and then this one. Okay, so this one is complete. Now this part, there are some text options that needs to be typed here if required. Now you can change the appearance of these text options, like clicking on this appearance, some fill color we can give, select all the bottom options, go to properties, appearances, some fill color. Okay, so that it will be visible like this. So let us check the form here, like name of the restaurant I can type as name of the restaurant, so it is appearing all portions here, and the other pages also it will appear like this, it is appearing. You can change the formatting and appearance of all the text. Date visited, let us say 12/03/22, name optional. We can say if I want to type something, it is not letters, only numeric values it will take. Email address, email@gmail.com. let us say, select one, so date must be in the format. It's okay here, I think 0202-22. Okay, now email address, I think some email address is there. Here we have done some formatting, custom formatting, date, month, and okay, that is right. View, you can write email @gmail.com. That is, some formatting option is there. This custom formatting is not appearing, so I'm just changing this one as to none. Close. Here let us check the formatting. That is number, that is fine. And here validation text is there, and this one, now let us check it. Now email @gmail.com. select one option. Here you can type your name, whatever it is. It is also changing because we have copied it, and ultimately it is taking that formatting, so I am removing the formatting here. And here now it will take your name like this. Now select options here. Okay, select this one, whatever you like. Okay, you can check whatever options you want to close, how often, several times daily, like this. Visit daily, name of the restaurants here, certainly or not sure. And here you can write your text here like this, whatever you want to text here, text here. Okay, now file and save as. You can save it or print it. Save it as survey completed. So now save it. Now I will open this file as survey completed to check whether all the data we fed there are there or not. Okay, it is there. Whatever options you can select it is there. Okay, that's fine. So that's all how we can create a survey form here. Hope you like this tutorial. Thank you. Thanks for your time.